If you're at an all-inclusive resort and you're not satisfied with the resort that you're staying at, this is my advice to you. Resort hop without paying anything extra. In fact, I would stay at the shittiest hotel or resort possible and then just resort hop, and here's how you do it. So this is the mirror. I can barely see myself in the reflection. What is this, first of all?
Well, the maid uses it to put her towels here and the garbage from the rooms that she's cleaning
What is...
and collecting.
Is that a... Look at that rag. Quentin, thoughts?
It looks like it's from a sanatorium.
The ceiling. Mold, I presume. Beautiful light. Oh wow, beautiful.
There's a little murder in there.
Yeah. Nice toilet. Nice bathroom. Number one, you need to have a bracelet and just flip it inside out. So I'm in Cuba, and this is the bracelet I have. I flipped it inside out. As you can see, the inside is blue, but if you flip it on the outside, it's white. And I'm staying at a 2.5-star resort. It's called Club Kawama. And that's probably the cheapest you could find. It's in Veradero, Cuba. And I was at a 5-star resort today. Just walk in with confidence. It helps if you look like a tourist. Having one of those beach towels also helps. Looking at the security straight in the eye and say, "Hola, amigo, ¿cómo está?" So this is my vlog on how to resort hop, at least in Cuba, Veradero edition. All right, here's the deal. It's this resort right here, Melilla. It looks freaking massive. Got past the first checkpoint. So we got some lunch. We got a whole little buffet outside. They have some grilled chicken there. More options. I got some plantains underneath that. Chicken, papaya. Pretty good. Oh, my mom would salivate for all these cheeses. Sorry, Mom. And we got some pescado, shrimp, pizza. Haven't had pizza in a while. This is the 5-star resort room in Melilla. Is that what it's called? Melilla?
Yeah. It's the
This is Brody, my friend. Oh, nice little door too. LED lights everywhere. Nice bathroom. The mirror doesn't have any rust on it, which is what we like to see. Oh my goodness. This is what luxury looks like. Wow. And TV. It's probably functional. Our TV is not functional. The bed with the boat
as well in the shower.
Oh, wow. Do you have your own balcony too?
Yeah.
A nice
It
little
shows
light.
the entrance. It's
Look
even got
at
like a
that.
screen.
We enter out here. Look at that. The entrance of the hotel. The Chinese flag? The red star? No, is it? I don't know.
I think that's the Soviet.
This
Maybe.
no, that's the one at the very end. No, that would be the Russian, like the white, blue, and no.
Russian or French, if I can't remember.
Or oh, okay. I feel like yeah. Anyways, that's the front of the resort. Look at that. Damn. Hey. Any words you want to say to the channel? You know? But yeah, look at this room. It's what a 5-star gets you. And we're on our way back, making the walk slash jog back. Beautiful. Although a storm looks like it's brewing. Here we are. We're a little sweaty. Oh, shout. But we did it. Made some friends, played some volleyball, played some soccer. ate some proper food. They had peanut butter ice cream. Honestly, if you have one of these, the wristbands, at that resort, they the white ones were for underage kids, so I kind of fit right in because I act like a kid. But honestly, what I'd say, super easy to sneak in. Silverback Suno Squad, peace out.